Thanks for watching BluePay's Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains video series. In this 8-part series, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about the BluePay's Assure By payment processing plugin. Now, this is the 8th video in the series, where we're going to show you how to take advantage of our order download functionality. In this advanced method, users who have taken orders from an online website using BluePay's payment gateway, or users who have created payment tokens using the BluePay payment gateway, can download those transactions and link them to existing documents within the Microsoft Dynamics GP interface. When you accept these transactions from your website, you'll need to make sure you do 2 things. First, associate your web orders in a brand new batch. This way we can download all of your transactions at once. So for this demo, we've created a batch called Web Orders. And second, within the shipping address 3 field, include the BluePay transaction reference number. This will be a unique identifier that will allow the downloader to sync these transactions back into Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains. Once you have the transactions that include the correct batch ID and a reference number in the address 3 field, you're ready to sync these transactions within your Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains interface. In order to bring your web transactions into Great Plains, from the left side menu, click Sale. Then click Sales Batches. Select the batch ID that contains all of your web online orders. Like we said, ours is called Web Orders. Click on the Additional menu, and then scroll down to Process Assure By Web Transactions. Next, you'll see a screen prompting you how you'd like to review the report. We will select Screen and click OK. This report shows us the 3 transactions that we had within our Web Orders batch. You can see that these authorizations have been brought up into Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains from the BluePay gateway, along with their amounts, the customer IDs, and more. Keep in mind that these transactions have only been authorized. No funds have actually been captured at this point. So if you were to go into these individual invoices, you would see that the dollar amount is still on account, but has not yet been received. Now, you can capture these funds in a few different ways. You have 3 options. First, you can choose to individually go in and fulfill these orders. You can transfer the orders to invoices, then capture the funds individually. Or third, you can fulfill these orders all at once. So for this demo, we're going to do that. From within the Sales Batch screen, with the Web Orders Batch ID selected, go up to Options and click Allocate or Fulfill. Next, select Fulfill, then click OK. We're going to bring this batch back up by searching for it within the Batch ID field. Once this batch has been selected and has populated the Batch ID field, click Transfer. From this screen, select Transfer to Invoice and Include Totals and Deposit checkboxes. Click Transfer. Next, the GP plugin will ask you how you'd like to view the report, so we'll select Screen and click OK. Here, you can now see that our 3 orders within our Web Orders batch have been successfully transferred to invoices. Finally, we're ready to capture and process these transactions. From the Sales Batch page, locate your Web Orders batch ID. From the Additional menu at the top, scroll down to Process Assure By Batch Transactions. Next, select how you'd like to view the report. We will select Screen, and we'll click OK. Next, you'll see the full batch report listing every transaction you have associated with documents in the current batch. And now you have a status. See how all the transactions here have been successfully approved. You can see at the top of the report the total batch amounts and details. And congratulations! You've successfully downloaded your web authorizations and attached them to orders within Microsoft Dynamics GP, converted them to invoices, and have batch captured the payment transactions. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this plugin, please contact BluePay's integration support team at integrationsupport@bluepay.com or give us a call at 800-350-2684.